I bought the iPhone 6s Express Repair Kit from RepairPartsPlus on September 19th, and I received my product within 5 days of that order. It cost me $27 to buy this kit, as opposed to $150 it would have costed me to take my phone to the Apple store to have it replaced. This is what my phone screen looks like right now. You can see that the cracks are along the top. It's not too extensive, but obviously it needs to be replaced. And I also have a really busy schedule, and I rarely get the time to sort of go and do these types of little things myself, which is the other reason why I was looking for an option like this that Repair Parts Plus has offered. I've looked at the videos, like the instructions have said and really studied how to do this, and I feel really confident that this weekend I'm going to attempt to do my repair. And I feel so confident that I've actually bought another kit for my cousin who has an even more extensively damaged screen, and she is a university student, so she has no money. So I bought this kit so that she can have this option as well to fix her phone for free, and with for free because I've bought her kit, obviously. And I think we both feel confident to make an attempt. So we're going to do a review video based off of her order once we repair our phones, and then you will see what my phone looks like after I've repaired it, and you'll see what her phone looks like before we repaired it and then after we repaired it. But I'm really grateful that an option like this exists, because I'm not tech savvy. I was a little bit anxious about doing this repair myself, but I feel like what I've gotten from Repair Parts Plus has given me both the tools as well as the training to attempt this, and not at a great expense, and without having to take time out of my schedule to do it. So I think this is a great service. It's a great product, and it'll be to be continued when I show you guys what it looks like after I do this.